you have done. Okay. So, a very good evening, everyone. So, in today's lecture, we are going to discuss cloze test. Right. Cloze test is every time asked in your question paper. If you look at the PYQs and do the analysis, you can already see that in CDS 1 2025 and CDS 2 2025, they have asked you questions from cloze test. Right. So firstly, we'll discuss the nuances of cloze test and then we'll see some PYQs. I have formulated some practice sheet for you people. I'll send these to for your homework. Right. Now let's just see the basic definition of cloze test. So cloze test basically refers to a passage in which you have to formulate the cohesion and correlation between the sentences. How the sentences are related to each other with the knowledge of collocation that we are going to discuss in the coming up lecture. So as you can see by the definition itself, a cloze test is a type of English exam question where a short passage is given to you in which particularly 10 questions are asked from you people. With alternatives, there are four alternatives given to you and you have to choose one out of them based on the recurrent theme that has been there in this entire passage. So you have to choose the correct word for each blank based on your grammar, vocabulary and context. As I've already mentioned that they can ask you entirely grammar based vocabulary portion or they can give you a mix of it where you have to fill in the grammar fill-ups and the vocabulary also, right? As we have also already seen in CDS 1 2025, they had given you verbs as well as certain words that were required according to the demand of the passage, right? That is it.